In this video, you will learn how to use Approval Manager, an add-on for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Approval Manager extends the standard functionality by adding the following features. Allows approving time entries and expenses for invoicing process. Gives structured tree view of projects with advanced filtering functionality. Navigate to the Resources tab and select Approval Manager from the left side menu. Load your customer or project data into the application using the available filters. Then select one or more projects or accounts and confirm the selection with OK. Click Refresh to load the data. All items are now shown in the mainframe of the application. You can filter the information by using standard or custom views and selecting the required period. Open the Project tab on the left to get an overview of time entries and expenses broken down for a specific project or project task. You can switch between expenses and time entries using the tabs in the top left corner. Time entries and expenses support inline editing. This allows you to edit them directly in the table by double-clicking on the line in question. To approve an item, select one or more records. Click the Approve button and confirm the approval. This changes the status of these records to approved. Watch the other videos in this series to learn how to use the proMX add-ons for Microsoft Dynamics 365 and contact our experts if you have any questions.